basoma bakirongooza.
Twebaza Katonda olunaku lwa leero. We want to thank God for this day. I have watched Godfrey grow in Christ, but also grow physically, and I have also watched McLean grow spiritually since she joined our church. Twebaza Mukama olw'obulamu bwabwe. Amanya ndi Pastor Jackson Senyonga okuva mu Christian Life Church e Kampala. Makerere Kavuli. Twebaza Mukama olw'akaseera bwe kati akalungi kakoledde McLean. I had an opportunity to meet McLean's mother when she was in Kampala. We interacted, and she's such a great mother. No wonder she has a great daughter, and we are thankful that today we are all here to witness such a wonderful, wonderful time when they're just about ready to start a family, and to God be the glory. I traveled with my wife, whom I have known for about 35 years, but 31 years of those are intimate knowledge of each other. So let me ask her to stand. And nakabeera mwami wa Pastor Eva emyaka 31 era kyensabira Godfrey ne McLean okubanga nabo bakumagana ku myaka 31 bakubisemu emirundi nga 10. So kambasabira omukisa